Ay, Nikki. Basta. Sana receive mo itong important message. Sabi ng ate ko, may crush ka daw? Totoo ba yun? Ako, may konting paningin lang ako sa'yo. Baka, pwede rin kitang maging crush pag may pagkakatuan ako. Sana may chance ako. Bigyan mo ako ng chance. More chance, more chance. It will be a good life. And a good... I'll give you my life and soul for your life.
Hey! That's my motto. That's my motto.
That's not your motto. It's mine. Hapong. Don't distract my video. Please answer this message. Bigay mo na lang sa akin ang gusto mong sabihin. Magpa-video ka. Sabihin mo na lang pag pinarinig ni ate ko sa ng class niya, kukupakin ko siya na mag-isa. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Good night.
Good
Take care. I'll give you my life and soul for your life.
Oh, you know.
Mwah.